students, let's do the exercise 1D. It's very easy. You can do it by yourself, but I'll do 2 questions from each part, and then rest of the question you will do by yourself. The first part is that make a list of the finite sets and infinite sets from the following. Number 1 is set of cities in Pakistan. So there are so many cities in Pakistan, so it will be infinite set. Okay, and set of universities in Lahore. So there is a limited number of universities in Lahore. So definitely the second one will be finite set. And same then set of whole numbers and set of negative integers, set of points on a line segment, and set of vowels of the alphabet. So these are I think quite clear to you that which can be elements can make finite set and which cannot make, and which can make infinite sets. Now come to part 2. Make a list of empty sets from the following. Okay, so set of whole numbers between 9 and 10. So definitely there is no number between 9 and 10. So this will be an empty set. And set of people who landed on Mars before 1994. I think till today nobody has landed on Mars. So again, it is an empty set. The third one is set of integers between 4 and 6. So there are some integers. Integers means there are some numbers between 4 and 6. So I think this cannot make an empty set. And so 3 cannot make an empty set. 4 is set of even primes. Set of even primes. There is only one even prime numbers, and that is 2. So it cannot make an empty set. Number 5, set of 3-digit numbers greater than 1000, and there are so many. So you will think about it that whether they can make a set an empty set or not. Students, now come to part 3. In part 3 they are saying that make a list of pairs of sets which are equal from the following. So for equal sets it is necessary that the 2 sets should contain the same elements in numbers 2. So in this, look at question 1. A is a set that contains 2, 3, 4 numbers. B is a set that contains 3, 4, 5. 3, 4 are same, but 5 and 2 are not same. So their elements are not same, so it is not an equal set. But if you will look at question number 4, set A contains the letter 2. And B is a set of even primes. So as I have told you that there's only one even prime numbers, and that is 2. So this in question 4, these 2 sets are pairs of equal sets. Okay, and about the rest of the questions you will think, and then you will decide that whether they are equal, making equal sets or not. Now come to part 4. In part 4, they are saying that make a list of equivalent sets from the following. For equivalent sets, the numbers of the elements should be same. It is not necessary that they contain the same elements, but the same elements is not necessary, but their numbers should be the same. So in A is a set in which R, I, F, E letters are mentioned, and B is a set in which F, I, R, E. So this one is also having 4 letters, and B is also having 4 letters. So these are equivalent sets. But if you will look at now question number 2, C is a set in which only 3 letters are there, C, A, R, and D is a set in which A, R, C, S letters are there. So the numbers is not same, the numbers of the element is not same, so it is not an equivalent set. The rest of the questions you will decide about it by yourself. Now come to part 5. Find the relation between each pair of set A and B. Only 3 questions are there. You will mention it symbolically. Symbolically means here that you will mention it with the symbols. In set A, set A is a set in which all the whole numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, means that it is an infinite set. B is a finite set in which only 4 numbers are mentioned, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it means that B belong to A. All the elements of B are present in set A. So it belongs to this set A. Now come to question 2. 3 vowels are mentioned here in set A, E, U, and B is a set of vowels of the English alphabet. So we will write it like this, that A belong to B. This symbol is the symbol of B. Okay. Okay, now come to part 6. In part 6, they are saying that write the missing element in each pair of sets to make them equal. Look at question 1. In question 1, we have 2 sets in which in one set SOFT is written, in another one is TF and dash and S. So O is missing, so we will write O here. It is very easy. You can do it by yourself. And so we will write O here. So now these sets have become equal sets because the elements are same in numbers and they are same in types. Here in question 2, AET is written and T dash A. So which one letter is missing? E is missing. Okay, now they have become same. Now 3 and 4 question 3 and 4 you will do it by yourself. Now come to part 7. In part 7 they are again saying write the missing element to make each pair of sets equivalent. So it means that in question 1, 2, 3 numbers are given, and in the second set A, E and dash. So you can write any letter here. You can write U here, you can write B here, just to make the 3 elements in the second set, and then it will become an equivalent set. In question 2, in one set apple, banana, grapes, orange, 1, 2, 3, 4 fruits are mentioned. In second set A, B letters are written, so we can write C or D here. So the numbers will be same. The elements though it contains not the same type, but the numbers are same. So to make an equivalent set, we will write the elements in same numbers. The 3 and 4 you will do it by yourself. Now students, we have done exercise 1D. We have done also studied about the types of the sets. We have studied about the finite, infinite set, unit set, empty set, unit set, empty set, disjoint set, overlapping sets, equivalent sets, equal sets, and universal sets. And then I also did some questions from exercise 1D. Now rest of the questions you will do it by yourself and in your notebooks. Thank you. Thanks for today.